Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to be showing you how to apply GelMoment polish. I've already applied one coat of Underwater Haze and one coat of Echoes of Paris on my ring finger. Now you can tell by this that some polishes go on thicker than others and darker. The main thing you want to make sure you do is a thin layer of polish. So I could probably get away with just having one coat of Underwater Haze, but I'm going to have to go back and do another coat of Echoes of Paris just so that it's not see-through. So I'll show you how I apply on this hand. So the first thing you want to do is roll your polish in between your hands like this instead of shaking it. When you shake the polish, it causes air bubbles to form in the bottle, which makes the application not be as smooth. So we're going to do very thin layers just so that it cures properly under the light. And I'm just rubbing the brush against the bottle as I'm pulling it out so that I don't have very much on my brush at all. I don't know if you can see that. Now typically people start at the cuticle, but I learned a tip. If you actually start in the middle of the nail and then push back, the brush will form to the right shape of your cuticle, which is handy. So I'm going to start in the center, push back, pull forward, and then do the sides. Now you want to make sure that you cap the tip of the nail so that you don't get chipping on your manicure. Okay, just like that. And then anything that I got around my skin, I want to wipe away before I cure. Now I'm just going to move my polishes away from my lamp because the LED light can affect the bottles. This is the purple professional lamp, and it dries the polish in 45 seconds. You just push this button here at the top, and then it'll automatically turn off when it's completed, so you know you can continue. Okay, first layer of Underwater Haze is complete, and I can touch it. It's not gonna mess it up or anything. It's all dry. Now I'm gonna continue doing the rest of my manicure. I am taking my cleanser pad that I used to clean my nails to just wipe off what I'm getting off of my skin. You can use a Q-tip for this. This is actually the cuticle pusher that I got from the dollar store. It's not good for what it was meant for, but it does help that the edges are dull and not sharp for scraping off what's on my skin. Okay, this is Underwater, or this is Echoes of Paris. Okay, I'm going to do one more coat of Echoes of Paris, but I think the other nails are a good enough coverage that I don't need to worry about a second coat. Alright, there we go. Now you can, I don't know if you can see the difference between 2 coats of Echoes of Paris and 1 coat. I'm going to go back real quick and put another coat on this finger. Okay. There we go. Echoes of Paris and Underwater Haze.